الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا. آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم.
Okay, Ji. So today we are celebrating the World Health Day, and actually the World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. 7th April every year marks the celebration of the World Health Day, but we are celebrating it today on the 13th. So this day started from the inception at the World Health Assembly in 1948, and it started its action in 1950. So the main purpose of this day to be celebrated is that every year this day has a special health theme to prioritize certain health concerns for the WHO. Every year this day is celebrated to raise awareness regarding certain health issues which concern people all across the world. So that is why this day is celebrated. So every year it has a different health theme. Now the health theme for the year 2022 is, most of you know, especially those who are presenting must be know, but the rest of you should also know, Our Planet, Our Health. Okay? So in this, what they are trying to focus is that can we reimagine a world to live with clean air, water and food available for all? Can we live in a world where the economies are going to focus on health and well-being? Can we have a livable world where all people can control their health issues and control the health of the planet? So this theme is focusing on three main components, which are air, water and food. Okay? So three batches are going to be presenting and focusing on these three components. One batch is going to present on air, one on water and one on food. So now we're just going to show you a small video about this theme of 2022. So enjoy the video and then you'll be enjoying your colleagues' presentations.
Alright. What are interrelated?